One of the reasons that I bought my Sony RX100 VII is that it has an input for external audio. I will now test it with my ATR3350 lavalier microphone. The reason that I'm using a lavalier microphone is that this camera has no hot shoe or cold shoe to put a shotgun microphone. So if you want to do that, you need a bracket, but the lavalier will give me a very small rig for vlogging. I should mention that I'm also using a dead mouse, which is a third-party accessory that is not shipped with the microphone. I think ATR have some of these also, but this one is bought on AliExpress for $2. And I'm outdoor at a somewhat quiet place, but it's a public place, but it's somewhat quiet. And I'm now talking in my lavalier. I have now disconnected my ATR3350 and I'm using the internal microphone in the camera. I guess the camera now will pick up more of the surrounding soundscape and noise around me, and maybe also more noise from the wind. I will now plug the lavalier back in. I am now talking in the lavalier again, and I will see if there is a noticeable difference in the audio quality. I will now move to a noisier place and see if the difference is bigger there. Now I have moved to a very busy outdoor environment. There is a road here and traffic. I am now talking in the lavalier microphone. This is the camera's internal microphone. I will see if it will pick up more of the surrounding noise and the ambient soundscape. It's also a bit more distance between me and the camera's microphone, so I think that will make a difference as well. And I have now connected the lavalier again for a final comparison before I move indoor to a more quiet environment. Now I am indoors using the lavalier microphone. This is a public place, but it's somewhat quiet, even though it's not as quiet as my own apartment or a place like that. I will now disconnect the lavalier and compare the audio with the internal microphone. This is the camera's internal microphone. I will see if it picks up more of the surrounding sound and if it's noisier than when I was using the lavalier microphone. And now I will connect my lavalier again. And now I'm back on my lavalier again. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is there a big difference between the lav and the internal microphone? Or if you have any questions about this, I will do my best to answer them. And if you're interested in more content like this and more footage from the RX100 VII, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!